Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Southern Drone Ops. We just got done spraying some beans and we are doing our clean out now, and we are gonna head to the next field. What are we doing next?
Rice.
All right. I got a low battery on mine. We'll go ahead and bring mine home. So that's a good point, guys. With low batteries, you can change your settings to as high or as low as you want. Well, not really as high, but I have mine to start alarming at 30%. Some will have them start alarming at 20%, 25. Man, I'm telling you, at 10%, they start auto landing. You can fight that auto landing with your left thumbstick. I don't recommend it because I've seen a battery go from 10% to 5% to ground in about 3 or 4 seconds. So I'm gonna land right here. And our tech waits till the props are stopped. He's in. All right. So I'm gonna pull battery out, go put her on the charger. He's gonna battery back up, fill it back up. We're actually running 2 rigs today. Why don't you give them a quick rundown of what all's on your trailer, like just I mean, you got a massive generator, you got your mixed tank. Is that a 22,000 watt Kubota diesel?
It is.
Okay.
Perkins diesel, yeah.
Okay. And 65 watt or 65 gallon
Mixing tank.
And then he's got a freshwater. I like what he did. He made a platform for his freshwater so we can hook a hose up to it. And that's useful just if any of us get sprayed or anything, wash our eyes out, washes off our clothing.
Yeah.
And then he left the back open. But he did something the first person to do that was really smart, was put one of those little sunsetter, retractable, whatever awnings on it. That helps out so much in the field. Keeping your batteries cool is really going to extend the life of them and make it a lot easier. So
be cool too.
Yeah, keeps us cool too. Yeah. So you see, mine is nothing. So we keep with diesels, we just keep ours running, or at least I do.
Yeah.
And then I just jump in mine and in the AC and in between and keep watching it. But we're running 2 today. You've not seen, I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos of it being done, but I know there's not a lot of people that are actually showing 2 drones in the field being actually swarmed. So today you'll see 2 T50s. Next week you're going to see 2 T60Xs. So we're going to have some different things going on. This is a hard year. You talk to any farmer, every year is a hard year. This year's exceptionally hard. We've been wet. April was 21 out of 29 possible farming days rained. In May, I think it was 24 out of 30. So, I mean, the ground has just stayed so wet, the farmers can't get their tractors out in it. So as farmers, if you're wanting to add these on, you know, I work closely with the aviation attorney that helps us get you everything that you need, and we walk you through it. And as you can see, we don't just sell drones. We actually go out to the field. We actually show you what to do, even if you're not close to us. If you want us to come to you in the field, we will. I have opened up in 11 different states. Just depends on which package you want to get. We can do it remotely. We can do it closely, whichever. So it's fully up to you. Isaac said last time he's filling up, he was running a little bit slower, so he thinks he's got something in his clogged up in his filter. So we're going to do a little bit of diagnosing now. You see he took out the filter there. It's hard to say. When people think of spraying, they think, oh, I get a drone, I'm going to take off, and that's all I'm going to do. No, guys, there's so much more to it. You got to know your pump systems. You got to know your freshwater systems. You got to know your mix systems. You got to know your electrical systems. Now you got to have all your licensing, your drone, your equipment, everything. One thing I want to show you too on this one, that little icon right there shows we're going to run out at. I'm going to go ahead and have it come home. We're at 43% battery. that would have started alarming by the time we got to there. So what I'm gonna have it do is I'm gonna have it come home to us early. I'm gonna fill it up just enough to finish out our field, because as you put chemical in this, it's going to fill up that spot. So I'm gonna go tell Isaac that we're just putting a little bit in there and doing a battery swap, just so we don't put too much chemical, because we don't want to waste any chemical. We want to conserve as much as we can. So we did 85 acres here at a rate of, the minimum was 2 gallons per acre. We're gonna pack up now, move over, get some different chemicals, and don't forget your hydration. You'll die, literally. So always keep your water with you guys. All right, we'll see you guys a little bit. See y'all.